Welcome to Life in Color. I'm Rick, and you're watching, I think it's episode number 10. I'm just tying up some loose ends. We take the trailer out for its first trip, and then we bring it back and go over the things that went wrong and went right. We added the weather stripping, and then I had purchased a mattress from Amazon Prime, and it's a 10-inch memory foam. Went in fine. It was a little bit too tight, and in the end we did end up cutting about 2 inches off the side, one side, and just put it right back into the bag that it came with. Well, we're back from our first camping trip, overnighter, and the trailer worked awesome. Things that we did have problems with were the running lights. One of the wheels decided to fall off, which was a little entertaining, to say the least. So yesterday, a guy stopped to help us out when the wheel almost came off the trailer, and he actually left me tools and his business card and said, bring them back to town and give me my tools back if you feel like it. If not, I'm donating them. And I said, no, I don't want your tools. Thank you very much. He left them anyway. One of the things that we found a little annoying was the bed is about 2 or 3 inches too wide. So we're gonna trim the bed down, and we're possibly gonna stitch the mattress cover to make it tighter. Fix the running lights. They literally, the side running lights, the covers broke off both sides, and the bulbs were both smashed by the debris from driving down gravel roads. I'm going to repair the axle damage. I'm going to weld a stud onto the main axle, and then I'm going to reattach the plate for the spacer so that I can run the Jeep wheels. I was able to get a vice grip onto, I welded a big lump of steel onto the back of the stud that was spun on the hub, and then I was able to get a vice grip on it, and I was able to use an impact wrench to tighten the nut up onto the stud to get it tight so that it's actually doing something. And then I was able to put Loctite on the other 4 nuts and studs and lock them down tight. I've got a good connection I feel comfortable with. It's Loctited to about 120 pounds. Now I'm going to put, I put the cap on, a new cap on that I purchased because the other one was knocked off by the wheel being loose. And I just used a 2x4, placed it up against the cap and a rubber mallet and gave it a good smash, and it went on beautifully. Now I'm going to put the back wheel on, I'm going to put the wheel back on, and we are back in business.